The world is mourning the death of Pope Francis, the spiritual leader of over 1.3 billion Catholic worldwide. The Vatican officially confirmed his passing earlier today, sparkling a wave of grief and uncertainty across global religious and political communities. The Pope, known for his progressive stance on social issues, interfaith harmony, and humanitarian diplomacy, leaves behind a complex legacy during one of the most turbulent periods of modern history. His death comes at a time of rising geopolitical tensions in Europe, the Middle East, and parts of Asia. The Vatican's diplomatic influence, particularly on Ukraine, Gaza, and climate change efforts, now hangs in uncertainty. Faith communities are awaiting the conclave to elect the next pope, which would set a new tone for global Catholic leadership. Pakistan's Christian community, one of the largest in South Asia, is observing days of mourning.